believe it's happening. We are officially moving. We are going to be moving in less than 2 weeks, moving back to New York. This has been a long time coming. Originally we were gonna stay for a year and then we kept pushing it because we didn't want to go back. It is time to leave. Officially signed our new apartment lease yesterday. We have our moving out date set, our moving in date set, and it's insane. There's like a few reasons we're leaving. I think I'll do like a Q&A kind of thing, answer some of your questions. This is officially moving vlog 1. The apartment is a freaking mess right now. I have stuff everywhere. We're gonna start packing. We are gonna go to Home Depot right now. We are going to get some boxes. I actually have movers this time that's going to help me with packing, so it will be a lot less stressful, but I still want to get some boxes, you know, just to pack like some stuff that like I don't really want the movers to touch. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, I have on this cute little outfit. Look at my, I don't even want to show you guys because it's so messy, but it's okay, we're gonna ignore it. Wearing these cargo pants that I always wear, and I threw on like just like a denim jacket to make it a little bit more chic. Also, we are road tripping back to New York. We're gonna make like several stops, do a cross-country road trip, which we've never done, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, we're at Home Depot. So we have the moving company booked already, and they're doing for us like the packing, but we want to pack up like some dishes and some delicates. We're gonna get the dish boxes so we can do the dishes ourselves, and then maybe some medium ones for clothes that are just like in the drawers.
How many do you want?
You can't get it from here.
The one on top. There you go.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you. That. Teamwork.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Does he even work here?
Nope.
5 small boxes and bubble wrap. No, that was pretty. Why? Why? Can I at least keep one? I want the marshmallow one. Hey, I have a waffle maker.
Throw it out.
No! We can make waffles in our new place.
You said that for like a year.
It's for my matcha.
The
What?
matcha that you never made?
To start, now that I know this is here.
I could have told you that was there.
Well, you never told me. So whose fault is that?
This is garbage, right? Yes, what is this?
I don't know, I kind of like it though.
Garbage?
You're
Garbage?
throwing away all my precious belongings. Come here. Oh, donut. Okay, I'm going to work on my room now. For the mover, you're able to like just take the stuff off the racks and put it into like the wardrobe boxes, but I do need to kind of just like organize it and declutter it because I have a lot of stuff in there that I just like don't wear anymore. And then also in the drawers over here, kind of need to declutter those, and then I'm gonna pack those myself just because like I'm gonna organize it anyways. So got my box here. decluttered one side of my closet. Got rid of a decent amount of things. Like, I feel like this is super cute, but the color is like really bright. But this I definitely will get rid of because I don't know if I would wear this ever again. So I'm gonna donate those. Okay, now I'm gonna go through this side of my closet. These are a lot of like my jackets and stuff that I haven't put away. Wait, look what I found. Do you guys remember this? Like 2012, I feel like, Tumblr era. I feel like at some point this could be like a vintage tank kind of thing. I think I did a pretty good job decluttering this side. It looks a lot cleaner, right? So I have to go through like those cabinets. A lot of those are like skincare, makeup stuff. I want to work on my drawer for now. This first drawer is like all my white and black shirts, tanks and stuff. I don't need all of those, so I'm gonna declutter that first. Is empty. That feels nice to have like an empty drawer. I'm getting ready. We're gonna go on a hike today. I think this might be our last hike, honestly, in California. We're going straight to Nobu after. It's my first time in Nobu, Malibu, and it's for one of our friends' birthday. I'm going straight from the hike to Nobu. So I'm thinking I should probably just like do a little bit of makeup. So let's get ready. And I asked you guys on Instagram if you have any questions about like my mood and give you like a life update. Okay, first question, what will you miss most about California? There is so much. First of all, the space is the biggest thing. Probably everything in New York is so compact. We are downsizing from a 2-bed to a 1-bed, which I'm not mad about just because the apartment that we got, like, I'm so in love with it. Second thing is probably the nature and just being able to like drive 30 minutes and go on a really nice hike, 10 minutes and go to the beach. Just like the availability of nature. Okay, next question. This one I got so much of, and it's basically just, why are we moving back to New York? Why'd you guys move to LA for a bit and now you're moving back? It's been a year and a half, and the main reason why we moved here was because it's always been like a dream for both me and Samson to live in California. We both grew up in New York. We never really experienced like this beautiful weather, and it just always seemed like something we wanted to do. After I graduated, we said, let's do it, let's try it out for a year, and if anything, you know, we can always come back. We tried it out, we really loved it, but why we're moving back is for a few reasons, but mainly for family. Just like some family obligations that we need to do right now, but eventually in like 2 years, I would say, we want to move here, and Samson wants to move his family out here too. My mom will eventually go back to China to spend time with my grandparents. Like, that's her plan, but because of COVID right now, she can't. She's basically just by herself in New York, so I do want to be able to spend more time with her. I've learned that nothing is permanent, and just because we're moving back to New York for now, we don't have to stay there forever. It's nice that both me and Samson are on the same page, so we both want to eventually come back to California and eventually just settle down here. Can you tell us where you lived in LA and pricing after you leave the building? We got like a really good COVID deal for, I believe it was $26.50. Right now we're doing month to month, which is a little bit more, and we live in Marina del Rey. I love this area. We had like no idea where to live when we first got here because we just weren't familiar with it. Moving to New York from LA soon too, and apartment hunting isn't going so well. Can you give some tips? Oh my god, guys, like, you would not believe the amount of time Samson and I spent apartment hunting this time. Like, apartment hunting in New York is just so competitive that like the moment something comes up on the market, that's good, someone's gonna snatch it real quick. This time we literally spent almost like every waking moment just checking Street Easy, which is like the website that you use to apartment hunt in New York. We started apartment hunting back in April, I think, and that's when I made that apartment hunting like video. The apartments we saw, some of them we really liked, but at the time we weren't moving back yet, and a lot of those were like move in immediately. We were like, okay, like let's just keep an eye out on new units in those buildings. If they come up, we'll take it around our moving days. They would come up and just get snatched up so fast that like we didn't even have time to do like a video tour. That was like so disappointing. And then we kept looking like every single day. We found one that we liked and we were gonna take this apartment, but we weren't even like in love with it. Like it was good, it was like a standard New York City apartment, and then finally we found the apartment that we took, and we ended up putting an application. We got it. Yeah, apartment hunting in New York is really stressful. I would say to just like check as much as you can and like to act fast, especially right now, because in this market it's wild. Like apartments go so fast. Like the day after it's posted, it's like basically gone if it's a good apartment for like a good price. Okay, next question. I like this one. Which coast do you think suits you and your lifestyle better? I've always thought like I was like such a New York girl. Like I love like the city life. Growing up, like I would dream that I would be like, you know, living in the city with my boyfriend and like just like hanging out with my friends and like having that city life, which I love. But once we like moved here, that like slow paced lifestyle of California, I really enjoy it. Like I love just like taking things slow and being more chill about things and like not always like being in a rush, hustling like 24/7. Like that's such a New Yorker's mentality. I think it's great, but it definitely stresses me out so much. I think as of right now, California definitely suits my lifestyle a little bit more, just because like I do want to like take things slow, and that's just kind of how I felt for the past year. Like I realized that like I don't need to always be in a rush. Okay, last question. Do you want to be bi-coastal? Can't wait to go along with you on your moving journey. Yay! I'm so excited for this moving journey, especially because we are doing a cross-country road trip from California to New York, and we're gonna like take our time with it. So probably like a week to 10 days. And yes, eventually I would like to be bi-coastal. I just think that like both New York and California has so much to offer, and New York will always like feel like home. Something about California, like we're just so drawn to it, and we just really love just like this lifestyle. Bi-coastal eventually, hopefully, yes. Also, I am gonna vlog like the whole entire road trip back, so I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm pretty much done with my makeup. Like I don't want to do too much. I just put on like some concealer, some blush. I did a little eyeshadow. Oh, and then also I want to show you guys this because it's so pretty. This is a Tower 28 blush in Magic Hour. Such a pretty like peachy nude blush for like Asian skin tone. So yeah, that was my little life update. I've been like wanting to share this with you guys for a while now, but nothing was like official yet, so I didn't want to say anything until like we signed the lease. So I'm really excited for this like new chapter, new journey, and of course I'm gonna vlog it and share it with you guys. Excited for like this whole moving process and to show you guys a new apartment. I love it, and I think you guys will really love it too. How the road trip vlog is gonna be. Just me and you driving.
It's just our life.
Let's go. Look, baby, it's a little bunny. Wait, what is that?
That is not a bunny.
What is that, a chipmunk?
That is not a chipmunk either.
Do you know?
No idea.
Reminds me of Hawaii.
Just go.
Catch me?
What? Catch you from what?
I don't know, catch ball.
It'll be fine.
I'm scared. On to this adventure now. Ah! So you just eat all of it at once? A lot of wasabi. Look at Samson drinking that wine. It's yummy? Is it yummy?
Tastes like lettuce.
You can't say